Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Feeling ignored in a relationship can be incredibly painful and can lead to feelings of isolation and frustration. It's essential to address these feelings because they can significantly impact emotional well-being and the overall health of the relationship. Understanding why someone might choose to ignore another person is crucial. It could stem from misunderstandings, personal issues, or even a desire for space. Sometimes individuals may not realize the effect their behavior has on others, while at other times they might be intentionally distancing themselves due to unresolved conflicts or stress. Recognizing these underlying reasons can help in formulating a response. To improve communication and bridge the gap created by this silence, several techniques can be employed. These methods will focus on fostering open dialogue, expressing feelings without blame, and creating an environment where both parties feel heard and valued. By implementing these strategies, it becomes possible to address the issue of being ignored and work towards a more connected and understanding relationship. Vibrational mismatch refers to the dissonance that occurs when individuals in a relationship operate on different emotional or energetic frequencies. This mismatch can significantly affect interactions, leading to misunderstandings, conflicts, and a sense of disconnection. Each person carries their own unique energy, shaped by their emotions, beliefs, and experiences. When these energies clash, it can create an environment where attraction diminishes and repulsion may occur, making it challenging to maintain a healthy relationship. Personal energy plays a crucial role in how we connect with others. Positive emotions tend to attract like-minded individuals, while negative emotions can repel them. Therefore, it's essential to be aware of one's emotional state and its impact on relationships. Maintaining a positive vibration is vital for fostering meaningful connections, as it encourages openness, empathy, and understanding. By cultivating a positive mindset and emotional resilience, individuals can enhance their vibrational frequency, making it easier to attract supportive and harmonious relationships. Ultimately, recognizing and addressing vibrational mismatches can lead to deeper connections and a more fulfilling relational experience. When someone is ignoring you, it's crucial to recognize the importance of giving them space. Constant attempts to communicate can come across as intrusive and may push them further away. Instead of bombarding them with messages or calls, it's more beneficial to step back and allow them the time they need. This period of distance can be an opportunity for self-reflection and personal growth. Focusing on self-love during this time is essential. Engage in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment, which can help you regain your emotional balance. By prioritizing your well-being, you not only nurture yourself, but also create a healthier dynamic in the relationship. Detaching emotionally can be challenging, yet it often leads to clarity and perspective. This emotional distance allows both parties to process their feelings without the pressure of immediate interaction. Ultimately, giving space can pave the way for more constructive communication in the future, fostering a stronger connection built on mutual respect and understanding. Embracing this approach can transform a difficult situation into a chance for growth and healing. Ho'oponopono is an ancient Hawaiian practice aimed at healing relationships and restoring harmony through forgiveness and love. The technique focuses on taking responsibility for one's feelings and actions, allowing individuals to clear negative energy and promote healing. Its purpose is to create a sense of peace and connection, even when faced with conflict or disconnection. To send loving energies to someone who is ignoring you, start by finding a quiet space where you can focus. Begin with deep breathing to center yourself. Then visualize the person in your mind. Repeat the 4 key phrases: I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. As you say these words, imagine sending warm, loving energy toward them, fostering feelings of compassion and understanding. Many individuals have shared transformative experiences using this method, noting how it helped them release resentment and cultivate a sense of peace. Testimonials highlight that, even when the other person remains distant, the practice of Ho'oponopono can lead to personal healing and a renewed sense of connection, ultimately benefiting both parties involved. Self-love and positive self-talk are essential components of emotional well-being and personal growth. Engaging in activities that promote self-care, such as exercise, meditation, or pursuing hobbies, can significantly enhance your overall sense of happiness and fulfillment. These practices not only nurture your body and mind, but also reinforce the idea that you deserve care and attention. Additionally, listening to positive content, such as uplifting podcasts, motivational speeches, or affirmations, can help reprogram negative thought patterns that may have developed over time. By consciously choosing to fill your mind with positivity, you can shift your perspective and cultivate a more optimistic outlook on life. It's crucial to remind yourself of your inherent worth. You are deserving of love, respect, and happiness simply by being who you are. Regular self-affirmation can reinforce this belief, helping to combat self-doubt and negativity. By practicing self-love and maintaining a positive inner dialogue, you empower yourself to navigate challenges with resilience and grace, ultimately fostering a healthier relationship with yourself and those around you. Embrace your worth and prioritize your well-being. You are truly valuable. Connecting with source energy is vital for personal empowerment and overall well-being. Establishing a daily practice that fosters this connection can significantly enhance your life. Engaging in activities such as gratitude journaling, spending time in nature, or simply being present in the moment can help you tap into the universe's divine energy. This connection not only nurtures your spirit, but also enhances your ability to create positive relationships. When you align with source energy, you cultivate a sense of inner peace and confidence, which naturally attracts like-minded individuals and fosters healthier interactions. Meditation and mindfulness play crucial roles in accessing this energy. By dedicating time each day to quiet your mind and focus inward, you can deepen your connection to the universe. Techniques such as guided meditation or breath awareness can help you become more attuned to your inner self and the energies around you. As you strengthen this bond, you may find that your relationships flourish as you approach others with love, compassion, and understanding. Ultimately, connecting with source energy empowers you to live authentically and harmoniously, enriching both your life and the lives of those around you. Visualization is a powerful technique that can help create positive interactions, especially with someone who may be ignoring you. To begin, find a quiet space where you can relax and focus. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Now visualize happy moments you've shared with the person, recalling the laughter, joy, and connection you experienced together. Picture these moments vividly, allowing the positive emotions to fill your heart. This practice not only helps you reconnect with those feelings, but also sends out positive energy into the universe. Additionally, incorporating gratitude into your visualization can significantly shape future interactions. As you visualize, express gratitude for the good times you've had and for the potential of rekindling your relationship. This mindset fosters a sense of abundance and positivity. To manifest desired outcomes, it's essential to practice visualization regularly. By consistently focusing on positive interactions and nurturing feelings of gratitude, you align your energy with your intentions, making it more likely to attract the outcomes you seek. Embrace this technique as a tool for transformation and watch how it enhances your relationships. In this discussion, we explored several effective methods for addressing the issue of someone ignoring you. We highlighted the significance of giving the person space, allowing for emotional detachment, and utilizing the Ho'oponopono technique to send loving energies. Additionally, we emphasized the importance of self-love and maintaining positive energy, which are crucial for fostering healthy relationships. By engaging in self-care practices and positive self-talk, you can enhance your emotional well-being and attract more fulfilling connections. Remember, the energy you project plays a vital role in how others respond to you. As we wrap up, we encourage you to implement these strategies in your life and observe the positive changes they bring. If you found this content helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with others who may benefit from these insights. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content and build a supportive community. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to sharing more empowering tips and techniques in the future.